Yan nga, I saw wild orchid and I'm going to get it, but I will be very careful kasi matarik. You see, matarik. Ayan, matarik. But I'm gonna get this orchid here. So, yan, yung ano ng, let me test this. Is this safe? Ayan. Here, wild orchid. I'm going to get this, oh. Wow! Ayan, oh. I'm here sa mountain. And this is a wild orchid. Ayan, oh. Na, you can see. Oh. Ayan. Nabali yung sanga ng puno. You can see. I will put it here so you can see. Ayan. And we also have there orchids. Yes, I'm gonna get this one. And I'm going to take care of this. I'm gonna bring this at home. And I'm gonna take care of this. Tignan nyo yung ano. Look at the leaves. It's wrinkled. Because they lack water. And so I'm gonna take care of it. Yan. Okay. And I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, there. Wow. Ayan o. Wild orchid. Up of the mountain. We are on top of the mountain. Ayan. Nag-hiking kami. Okay. This will remain here. In this beautiful creation of God. I love it. Thank you, Lord, for your creation. And